Alright guys, what we just showed you is the men's Saida version 1 and version 2. We're going to start with the first version. Guys, here it's very important with the first step, you let your right arm slide a little bit, okay? If you do not do this and you make the step to the side, you will bring the lady along with you. So you want to avoid this one. So the first step, I let my right hand slide a bit to the side. I'm free to walk in my new line. And here I do a check. You can also do a marker on the spot. Then you go back here on 4. On the 5th count is when you go back into the line and you close it off with the marker on the 6th. So I'll show you again. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to show you the second version of the men's Saida. It's also a longer version. The first step, the same. You continue in the new line. Here guys, on the 3rd count, you step with your left leg in front of your right leg to prepare yourself to go back in the line on the 4th count, and then you can close it off on the 5th count with a marker. After this, to finish it off in an 8th count, you continue backwards, is 6, 7, and a marker on 8. I will now show you from this angle. So I have the 1, 2, 3. On the 4, I step again in front of the lady and I do a marker. And from here on, I make my steps back to the starting position. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. The 2 versions of the men's Saida.